How to delete Facebook account. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I am Bimal from App Guide, and in today's video I will simply show you how you can delete your Facebook account. So you just want to make sure to watch this video till the end. In order to delete our Facebook account, whether you're on iOS or Android, you have to open up your Facebook app, and once you launch your Facebook app, tap on the three menu icon from the top right corner. If you're on iOS, these options could be at the bottom, so you have to be aware of that. After you go to the three menu bar icon, select settings and privacy, and over here you want to go to the option called settings again. And once you go to settings, under the account option over here, as you can see, you'll find the option that says access and control. So you just have to tap on access and control, and once you tap on access and control, you'll find another option called deactivation and deletion. So just tap on it again. Over here you want to select the option called delete account at the bottom and select continue to account deletion, and again select continue to account deletion. Once you do that, choose a reason and again select continue to account deletion up to 3 times. And after you do that, in many cases whenever you try to delete your account, they will always try to prompt you to deactivate instead of deleting it. But assuming ignoring all of that, you have to scroll down and select the option called delete account. Keep in mind that once you delete your account, it is going to remain deactivated for 30 days, which means you can gain access back into your account if you decide to change your mind within 30 days. But after 30 days, if you don't try to log in, your account is going to get permanently deleted, and even Facebook themselves will not help you get your account back. So just tap on the enter password and tap on the continue button from the bottom. That's all it takes to delete our Facebook account. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. And if you have any more questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.